What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos.
What's up YouTube, this is Vijay Ansura back with another video, and today's video is about vibration sounds. Not the vibration, but the sound of the vibration of certain things causing the vibration and all that kind of creepy sounds. I hate vibration sounds. What I did is last weekend I opened up the whole tank, and because I was getting some vibration sound from here as if two things are touching together and making that sound, I put the dampener just like a padding on strategic places which is heat resistant, and I made sure every nut and bolt and everything is perfect. I also opened up the entire headlight, did all the packing as you can see here, and I put tie pins. Sorry, I put tie pins everywhere as you can see here. Everywhere I have tie pin properly done. Tie pin, and you can see here all tie pin. So the whole thing is now vibration less, but I was still getting some vibration. So the best way to check was to let my wife accelerate a bit like this, where I could hear that vibration sound, and go around the motorcycle to understand where the sound is coming from. Here's where I found the sound. It's very important, and you might probably face the same as well. It was actually this guy right here. So what is happening is, you see this washer, okay, it was loose, and I don't know if I could probably try now. You hear that? It was worse. So there is a rubber packing. If you can see, there is a space between that's that small rubber packing there, okay. But yeah, this was touching the pin and it was making that sound. If it is free like this, it's gonna make that sound. So I just tightened it up. It is better. It was worse than this. And the same thing what I did is I did it on here, okay, and got it sorted. So now there are no vibrations, but there was one vibration peculiarly coming from this side, from this area. And since twice I opened up the headlight and fixed everything, I wasn't sure where the sound is coming from. And let me show you where it is coming from. This was a culprit. Let me get down. You see there that, let me show you. That's basically your handle lock mechanism. You see that going inside? Okay. So what was happening is that particular, sorry, I'm shaky. I'm using my one hand and doing it. So this was freely shaking inside, and since it has a very minor gap, it was constantly vibrating with the walls. And what I did is, you can take lube, you can take anything, and just make sure. I took grease, automotive grease, and applied it there. And it may look dirty because my light is on, but if you look from far, it's all okay. So any which ways, this is the one which was making sound. And in most of the cases, Dominar, this bolt comes off. So the whole assembly, do you remember there was an issue where the whole key assembly would move? It's because this guy right here and there is that guy. Both of them would actually be loose at times, and the whole key section would vibrate. So I had tightened it. I put thread lock and tightened it, and the vibration culprit is here. That is all sorted now. So my bike now is sorted. Let me focus. Hold on. See, it did. Voila. So my suggestion would be, in case if you're having vibration on your motorcycle, please switch it on, accelerate slowly. Don't over rev it while it is standing. It's a lockdown period. So I just do that and find out where the sound is coming from. The best way is to hold that part, all the parts, and slowly feel where the sound is coming. You can also tap, okay, to see where certain sounds are changing, and you can figure it out. It may take some time, but you will figure it out. And if you do so, open up the tank and the headlight, type in, just do everything, make sure there is no loose parts anywhere, and that should be it. So I hope you like this video. Just to summarize, that small piece of thing, the washer and things, is what was causing that vibration. So you can check all the 4 foot pegs and make sure. And even this guy, for that matter, this moves freely, okay, in certain bikes. So even this can make sound. So if you like my video, this is a very important video for the guys who hate vibrations. So if you like my video, please do share to my channel Vijay Hansura, subscribe, and go ahead and like this video. Give it a thumbs up so I can get more inspiration to do more of these videos. So thank you very much once again. Have a nice day ahead. Take care of yourself, and remember, whenever there is a vibration, that means something is loose. If there is a weird vibration, stop and analyze that. Don't just ride the bike with it. So hope you have a good day. In the lockdown period, do something productive. Spend your time with the motorcycle so you know more about the motorcycle, what is loose, what is tight, what is not right. So thank you once again. Have a nice day ahead. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.